everyone, this is CJ over here at Full Throttle Powersports, located in Swanzey, New Hampshire. Today we're going to take a look at one of our pre-owned units, this 2024 CFMOTO 450NK with 1,748 miles, passes New Hampshire state inspection, and comes equipped with a 5-inch Bluetooth TFT display, dual-channel ABS, LED lighting, and a slipper clutch. This bike has sharp, aggressive looks with exposed parts and clean lines. It's built like a street fighter, compact, bold, and ready to turn heads. The 449cc engine puts out 50 horsepower and delivers smooth, punchy power. It's lightweight and easy to handle, whether you're riding through town or hitting twisty roads. It's great for new riders who want a sporty bike feel with modern features, or experienced riders looking for something fun and affordable. You get style, technology, and performance all in one package. It's a smart buy for anyone who wants a reliable, exciting ride without spending a fortune. Come check it out at Full Throttle Powersports in Swanzey, New Hampshire, or call us at 603-357-7999 to learn more or schedule a test ride.